Hello parents, I am Vishnu Tejasvi, child nutrition educator. I do talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. So today's topic is when to stop breastfeeding. There is no specific answer to this question. So only this much particular amount of time only that moms has to give the breast milk for their babies. But till 1 year, it is mandatory that baby has to be on either breast milk or formula milk. Later, they can start with animal milk. But below 1 year, baby cannot digest animal milk. So in this video, I'm going to talk only about the breastfeeding, not the formula milk. Babies of age between 0 to 6 months should be completely on breastfeeding only. No solids, no water. They should be exclusively on breastfeeding. For the mothers, those who are going back to their work after the maternity leave after 6 months, they can start with formula or they can pump the breast milk and then offer for their baby. Babies above 1 year can start with animal milk. Here, the animal milk can be cow milk or buffalo milk. On an average, a healthy mother can give or can continue the breast milk till 3 to 4 years. You can stop breastfeeding all of a sudden if there is any health condition or if your doctor says so. If not, you should not stop the breastfeeding all of a sudden. This might be an emotional disturbance for you and your baby. On the other case, if you wanted to stop the breastfeeding, do it gradually. Let's say, for example, in a day, for your baby, if you're offering 4 to 5 times or 6 times of breastfeeding, gradually reduce the number of times and then try to include the solids in that feed. Or you can also start with the formula feed. Babies of 4 to 6 months, they are capable of taking the milk from either open cup or else with the spoon. This will be easy for you if you're going back to work. So when you gradually train your baby to how to have the milk with either open cup or else with a spoon, then you can express the milk and then store it in the fridge. Later your helper can try to feed the milk with the spoon or else open cup. Always remember that solids are not the replacement in every case. So babies of about 9 months will have 3 times meals or solids in a day. So there are more chances of reducing the breast milk for the babies below 9 months. Solids are not the replacement for the breast milk. So you should not completely exclude the breast milk and then include only solids in their diet. So this is not right. So what you can do, either you can pump the milk or else you can start offering the formula milk.